Okay, how to make an offline reference file and get it into your project so it works properly. So say you have a sequence here and you have an offline reference file from another editor and you're going to be doing the color on this end and you want to confirm all the shots are the same. Go into your media bin, select your offline reference file and make sure the timecode start is the same as the timecode start of your sequence. So this sequence is 5950. So if someone gives you an offline reference file that starts at 0, it will not work. Make sure your offline reference file is the same timecode start as your sequence. So right click, add as offline reference clip, and you'll see a checkerboard there. So you go into your timeline, and now your sequence here, you right click your sequence, timeline, link offline reference clip, click there, and then now when we have both windows up and we go offline, you can see a frame by frame comparison of both the offline reference clip and the edit that you're working on. And again, make sure the offline reference clip starts with the same timecode as your sequence, and preferably a .mov file. I've been finding that some of the MP4s may not work if they're coming from Premiere Pro.